This is IRS type point machine, Indian Railway specification type point machine. This is throw rod, these two are locking rod, and the next two are the detection rod. Here the R indicates the reverse position. The gap between the switch and the stock rail is 115 mm, and the other end you can see that here it is written N in the bracket. It means the normal end, and the point is set to the normal position. The total movement of IRS type point machine is 143 mm. 115 mm the movement is between switch rail and stock rail, 25 mm movement of the throw rod, and 3 mm movement to put the pressure on the spring for the detection. Always remember that U-shaped rod is the throw rod. Adjacent to the U-shaped rod you will get the locking rod, and the other two rod, that is the outermost rod, are the detection rod. The total movement between switch and stock rail will be 115 mm. This is stock rail and this is switch rail. The function of the throw rod is to move the switch rail towards normal end and reverse end, and the function of the locking rod is to hold the position of the switch rail when it is set to the normal position or in the reverse position, and the detection rod is used to detect whether our point is set or not. The inner contacts are called detection contact and the outer contacts are called control contacts. Here you can see that there is a 4 rod. Therefore it is a Siemens type point machine, because Siemens type point machine has 4 rods. Now it's time to do obstruction test or bed test. At 5 mm you can see that the motor slips and the slipping current will be 6 to 7 ampere, and generally the motor operates at 5 ampere. At 3.25 mm the motor locked, but the detection will not be observed. But at 1.625 mm bed, both the detection and the locking will be observed. You can see at control contact point 1 and 3 and 2 and 4 are short circuited. Similar connection will made on the other side. IRS type point machine is operated at 110 volt DC. To get 110 volt DC, the point must be under operated mode, otherwise you don't get any 110 volt on your multimeter. Must remember that the point is operated while you measuring the voltage. See that two wires are connected for the control contacts and there are the four wires for the detection contact, that is white, blue, yellow and black. Similarly on the other end, white, blue, yellow and black, and these four wires are connected sequentially on the terminal. Means white is connected to the first terminal and then blue, then yellow and then black, and the control contacts wire are connected on 5th terminal and 6th terminal respectively.